Hey guys, so leo nimewaleta huku Machakos People's Park Race Course. Leo unasikia kama kuna sema maybe than stories za Jaba. Today we came to confirm it. Tumekuwa tukiona huko Masakutiti kwa kina Moke Vlogs. So as you can see, it's a 2x2 lane race course. Reasonable enough to be a race course. It was actually meant to serve two purposes. Niko nasikia Mutua alikuwa ajenge city huku, so in the process sijui nini ilitokea and this road was to serve as a highway on weekdays, and then weekends when you wali discover iko inatumiwa kama race course. Kwanza alikuwa, that guy was very ambitious. It was actually like a Formula 1 race course, but the quality hatuwezi ita Formula 1 race course. It's a bit wanting for Formula 1, but for rallycross I think this is one of the areas enye unaweza pata good